Good morning, my all dear class 12th B students. As in this chapter of subject BO, we will discuss circular letters today. ठीक. Before starting anything, let me tell you this: what is the meaning of circular letter? When a businessman desires to furnish common information worded in a uniform manner to all his customers, and for that purpose, even to prospective customers, he doesn't not individually write letters to all of them. Instead of depending upon the numbers of copies required by him, he gets them the common draft printed or typed and leaving back the blank space meant for name and address. Letter of this type called circular letter. Okay, let me tell you in my word. If any businessman want to send this any same information to many or all the customers of his firm, at that time he will not write the letter separately to everyone. He will just write a uniform letter by the uniform language, and he will give the space for name and address, and that particular uniform language letter should be typed and or printed, and after that particular letter will be sent to every customer just by writing the name or address. You can see that in marriages you get the invitation card printed. Okay, so that invitation card is printed for each and everyone, and you just need to write the name or address. Okay, because the same information was to be given to everyone. So in business also, if we want to give any particular information to every customer, at that time we will write circular letter. Okay, circumstances of writing circular letter means when we will write the circular letter. When a new business is established, we have to give the information to our customers. When a new product is being launched, at that time we need to tell our customer that we have started a new product. When there is a change in constitution, if there is any change in constitution of firm, that should be known to the customers too. On the admission of a new partner, if any new partner has taken the admission. On the date of retirement of partner, okay, this should also be known to every customer so that customer can't see anything else. When there is change in address of existing firm, that particular thing should also be mentioned. When the services of an official holding some key post, when a new manager, a chief cashier or anything else was appointed, at the time of granting a fresh power to the particular employee, it is in the case of clearance sales, if there is any type of sales, when the production of any particular commodity remains suspended for a quite time, means there are many situations when the circular letter is being written. Okay, now just tell you the qualities of circular letter. Care should be taken while drafting a circular letter depending upon the manner in which the subject of the circular letter is printed. It may prove to be bucket or a thorn in the flesh. Free from ambiguity, a well-worded circular letter may be supposed to attract and parentage. Contrary to this, the misguiding and discourteous circular letter will simply displease. It means that particular letter will be sent to everyone. Okay, so the language of that letter should be very polite, very gentle and very humble, and the information which will be given in that circular letter should also be clear and true. Okay, what precautions we have to do before writing the circular letter? First of all, applicable to almost all the cases. Okay, it should not ambiguous, attractive and uniform language. Okay, there should be a personal touch so that particular person that particular person attracts by it. Facts furnished in the letter should be clear and correct. No false information should be given. Okay. Then language of the letter should be impressive and informative. Okay. The letter to be effective should be so drafted that it may invite prompt attention on the members. Okay. Then when it is only for particular cases, means name and changing of firm, etc. Okay, branches if any, capital invested, everything else. So this is it for the theory part. Now we will read in one or two circular letters and our this chapter will be completed. Okay. So here you can see circular letter launching new product. Okay. Here is the name of the seller. Here is the address of the seller. Here is the reference number, telephone number, and now here you can see the place for name and address of the firm is empty. Okay, reference, new product. Now, dear sir or ma'am, because you don't know that which party is led by a man or a woman. So here you can simply write dear sir / ma'am, because there are many firms and owner could be anyone. So here we are pleased to inform you that inspired by your cooperation and valuable suggestions and looking to the requirement of our customer, we have brought in the market the following new item. The name of the item should be mentioned. Now we fully confident that not only because of their quality and reasonable price, but with our continued percentage, the new product will soon attracted by the attention of the customer. So this is the simple. Now at last, for the sale of convenience and proper person, you have just given your conditions and situation. Here, your faithfully name of the seller. Okay. So this is the simple method of writing the circular letter. Okay. This is it for this chapter. This chapter is also very important for board examinations. You have to learn the theory as well as the letters. And if you find any doubt and any difficulty, you can ask. I will be there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye students. Keep studying, keep focusing on your board exams.